Hey guys, so today's video is going to be about this hair. Nadula sent me this hair. This is the Malaysian straight hair, and this is in the inches 26. So it's 326 bundles with a 20-inch frontal. I don't know if you guys know already, but Nadula does not do anything longer than 20-inch frontals, which is kind of annoying, but you know, it's doable though, because you know, this is a 20-inch bundle, and it stops about like right here on me, and then the 26 is like all the way down here, but it just kind of gives it that layered look. Yeah, like how I've been liking this hair so far. So I really like this hair. I've been rocking it for about a month now, so it's really like it's been doing its job. Okay. Yeah, I really like it a lot. I love the luster on it. Nadula hair is always soft. It's just, you know what I mean, like it's always tangle free. I actually just washed it just now for you guys so that you guys can see in the hair in its natural state. So this is the hair in its natural state, and it's not flat ironed, it's not blow dry. I literally let it air dry, and that's how it looks. It's just literally just going straight through, tangle free. Okay, so this hair is really flowy. So I'm probably gonna do a video on how I flat iron this hair, so you guys can stay tuned for that. But yeah, this hair is not flat ironed at all, and I'm very impressed. The only thing that I would say, it does have a bit of shedding. I mean, I feel like every hair sheds, which is, you know, what everybody says, but it's just like this hair sheds more than the usual, which is annoying. But like I can show you guys my brush right now. It's like a lot of hair from it. Like, let me try to take it out for you guys. But yeah, it's really like a lot of hair like that comes out each time, and it gets annoying. But it's not like ridiculously shedding though, because I've had hair that was worse before. I've had hair that shed literally every time. This only happens like every other time. Like this happens like every once in a blue, you know what I mean? But that's about how much shedding I got. I don't know if it's gonna focus, but that's about how much shedding I got from brushing my hair today. So that's my brush. And yeah, overall I really like this hair. The frontal, I make this into a frontal wig. The frontal is not bad. I did kind of mess it up a little bit, but that was my fault. But yeah, the frontal is really nice. You can see right now I'm brushing my hands through it, and there is no shedding. Like absolutely no shedding. No ma'am, no. Okay, so what else do I have to say about the hair? The hair came in a nice little box. The packaging was nice. And my hair was protected. I didn't get any shedding when I first received the hair, so that's a good thing. No matting in the back, which is really good, because a lot of these hairs really mat up in the back, but there's no matting. I'm literally running my hands through it, and it's like giving me life. So I'm just gonna turn it around for you. I want you guys to see how thick this wig is, because that's one thing that I really like about this wig. It's nice and thick, even though I got like literally almost the longest bundles. I got a 26-inch, and it's really long on me, but it's like it's still very thick and so beautiful, literally. And it moves nice. Okay, the luster is amazing. So yeah, you guys need to really get this hair, because I really like it, and I think you guys are gonna like it too. If you guys wanna, you know, message me to make your customized wigs, you can follow QB Collections. That's QBEACOLLECTION. So yeah, QB Collections on Instagram if you want to connect with me on how you can get a unit like this or a customized frontal. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.